Hi Capricorns, welcome back to my channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from Bharat. Namaste. Let's start with your reading, and this is going to be right from 26th of July and so on, okay? So basically, timeless readings may or may not resonate with every one of you at the same time. Let's begin. I heard like they are ready. Someone over here is ready, so this may go vice versa, as in like general vibes. So maybe you are ready for something or you're ready for someone, okay? For some of you, this is someone who is ready. So basically this is also about, because while I was shuffling, you had the energy of like Three of Swords but not exactly coming out. I also kind of get that someone's dedication towards something or someone is very, very appropriate and very, very considerate, okay? Two things. Eight of Pentacles was trying to tell me that someone is focused or refocusing something in order to complete something or specialize in something. So maybe career wise, or someone is interested in you, and that the dedication over here is too much over here, okay, for the person. And I also feel like with the Three of Swords, because that card was peeping, which might be telling that now they are ready. Someone over here is ready because now they are over something, or they have healed something, or they have healed from someone or past relationship. Because I also get this vibe of Three of Swords, possible separation, breakup, possibly you are getting ready for something. I feel like many of you are getting ready to move ahead, to work, okay? And this is the energy when your heart is in mess, but you are preparing yourself for major thing in your life. And I kind of get this vibe from especially eight of I'm sorry, apologize my throat. Eight of Pentacles energy. We're going to see. Maybe you're dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius vibe, okay? If this is not the person here, King of Wands energy, I feel someone is ready. That's what I said. So maybe this is the energy who is ready, or your energy is ready. But I feel someone is making up their mind, or they have done it already. Now this is about moving together, or moving together in this life path in order to continue with something with a focused frame, like mind frame, okay? That's what I saw. Your next phase is coming here with the Knight of Wands energy. There is certain approach possible. Very, very much possible. I also feel someone is in hurry and they're ready. So they're ready. Maybe this is your energy. You are ready. We're going to see. Look, you have Eight of Pentacles. Focus. Someone is, someone knows so well that they cannot distract you for now, or they cannot distract you just like that. So sincerity over here is too much. It's like, I want what I want, which is about in right order, okay? So there is something organized that is coming. Yes, you're waiting for someone, or you're waiting for yourself to get ready, basically, okay? Now let's see what's your overall heart energy. That's what I say always. Let's see. Subscribe to the channel, guys. There may be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. They are in awe with you, like they just want to know what you think about them. There is someone of a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or someone who's getting too emotional for you, and they really want to know what is that you think about them. The Six of Cups energy is giving me the vibe of, what do you think of them? They're ready. So maybe this is about someone from past, or someone from some lifetime in this time, like in this time frame. If this is about resurgence, that's what I say. There is some mending going on here, and someone is not releasing what exactly they feel. Maybe this is you or the person. But the point here is, this is all about memories, creating memories, renovating memories. If the resurgence is happening, what you're going to do about it. I also hear the energy of like making peace with someone or your past. So you're making peace. No collision. There is no collision. I don't see, okay? Something is good here. Three of Swords energy is also saying making peace with the past. If it's about separation and going in some relationship, that's what next phase is for you, okay? Some of you might be having some talks, but you are at cross with this person. Maybe this is King of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. However, this may be female vibe as well. But you are at cross with someone. Maybe they're seeking answer because they're ready. There is someone in your life who's ready. So your overall energy in this time frame possible is all about manifesting things, renovating things, not messing things up. And I also see strong emotions, presence of strong emotions in your life right now. Definitely. That's your move. Let's see. Look, this is Queen of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. but that's your vibe. Okay, to be honest, I just got messed up with the sign. I don't know why. So maybe it has to do something with the very powerful signs in your chart. It's just like sun, moon, rising, Venus. When you listen to, if you believe in all that stuff, because just watch it, okay? Or maybe someone is making you confused or mess up for the answer. Okay, now here there is someone who is ready. There is someone who is ready to tackle something with you, or you are ready. I see there is a very, very kind of like a big, sincere thing in your life, like opportunity. So this may be work related also, because these are general, guys, but I kind of get this energy, especially you're focusing on something. I'm hearing the word believe me. Maybe someone is trying to tell you believe me. Ten of Pentacles, securing something, wanting to secure something, settle something with you. You are possible at cross with this Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, if signs appear, or a Piscean here, okay? Though you also have Taurus, Virgo, but I feel this is you, okay? Not to keep you mess up. This is your energy, and you're looking at something that you're holding very close to your heart. Maybe this is something that you need to let loose from your past energy. But I feel that someone is ready, which is about realizations and manifestation and knowing the truth, the facts, or the reasons behind whatever is happening. Because there is someone who's keeping things, okay? That what is telling me duality. But there is this circle. There is someone in your circle, or there's going to be. However, I feel something that you are resisting, it's going to be out and about. There's a lot of bark left, okay? So this is going to happen. Even if this is about past, okay, this is going to be the talk. I hear talk session happening in your now. Emotional vibes, yes, of course. Let's see in your future what is coming. You become, I heard you become. So maybe you're becoming self-sufficient, independent. You'll have a flourishing zone. The Empress, you might be a single mother, okay? Possible, because you also have the Queen here. So female energy, quite vibrant. Or you are becoming mother, okay? And you are with someone, shared memories and all. This may be some of you might be female vibes out there. You're having a second child here, okay? Maybe for some of you this will resonate. But in here, the Empress, it's a flourishing time coming in your life, regardless of gender, regardless of being either Emperor or Empress. This energy is quite vibrant in your life. Capricorns, they're ready. So possible this is about having a flourishing relationship, or after Three of Swords vibe, kind of you're moving for this beautiful relationship, okay? Accepting, believe, that's what I see. I'm hearing can't control. Someone is about to reveal some things, or many things at the same time. This is flourishing, this is moving ahead, okay? Eight of Wands energy is, I heard like a drastic change, but kind of like positive, looking forward to meet you, or having a travel, or plans of upcoming events in coming 8 days or 8 weeks or 8 months. Or maybe it's just about the 8th month. Basically, you're going to see results for some things in the 8th month itself. It's a love matter, boom, you go. It's a love matter, boom, you go. We're going to see from this. So what is happening? I just heard the word mature. So it's not necessarily with the age or something. It just depend upon timelines and all that stuff, experiences, okay? But I get this vibe of someone who is mature enough, kind of like they understand the vibes and everything, emotions. They know how to handle, okay? So this maybe you are the person. And I was just shuffling and you had the 8. Something is even breaking in the way. 8 years of resistance, 8 years of not celebrating something. Whoa, you have Queen of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and wine. Wine is the symbol of cheerfulness and gaiety. So this thing is breaking actually, and you're going to celebrate something. Wow, 7 of Cups. You also have the Stork, which is beautiful. The Stork denotes change of residence for the better. sooner or later according to the distance which it lies from the person. This is a happy time, okay? Choices, those will be done in this time frame, will be boom. This card wants to come out, and I was so sure. This is about no more resisting. It's about a little bit opening up about whatever you were hiding in the dish. This is wine. Wine is a symbol of cheerfulness and gaiety. I'm repeating it because that's your card again. Someone is way important to you and very close to you. I hear that you're ordering something. I hear you're celebrating something, and I hear you're inviting someone. This may be anyone very close to you. I'm telling you that. I feel like someone is saying you don't listen to me, okay? But you have 8 of Cups energy, like hearts energy here, which is again the cat, and the cat indicates flattery if it's near a certain number or something, but I don't do that way, okay? I have my own way. Or foretells personal injury, or it denotes strife. So maybe as per these words and everything, something happened. Someone misjudged someone, someone hurt someone, did hurt someone. There was a strife possible, but now it's all over. Personal, I heard like no regrets, and personal grudges, those are going here. It's gone, okay? So it's basically this what they are trying to say. Let's see from Sylvia Brown deck. What's the matter? Living with no. That's not your card. That's not your card. That's your card. This flipped. You have truth. There may be a Libra. Anyways, truth is out. They're ready. Truth will be out in your life. This may be about legal things connected with 3 of Swords, kind of, but truth. Okay? There are many truths, but the one that is universal, constant, and unchanging is God is omnipotent and perfect. Everything else is just frosting on the cake. Now, I always say universe, okay, universal power, but whatever you believe in, you have faith in, with all due honor and respect to that, go ahead with that, okay? So there is some celebration definitely with the wine, and there might be cake even coming, and you might feel like it's the cake, but inside there is something, okay? So maybe there is some ring, there is some happiness, and the truth is going to be so beautiful. Actually, it will fill you with colors. When we say colors, I say color, okay? So that's going to happen. We need one more card. You have life. There's going to be certain, I just heard horizontal approach, something that's going to be not changing, feelings and everything is going to be constant, something that is going to be with the truth, something that's going to continue, something that is going to be possible, which is plausible, life, okay? And which is about, it's not going to go, it's not going to be messy anymore. It's going to grow, just like the tree. It's vertical, of course, but I just heard horizontal for some reason in your life. So since we all have chosen our own charts, life is an individual learning experience, like classes taken in school. Let's pray. Again, dear God, universe, power, universal power, I will do my best to pass my charted course so that my soul can reflect your magnificence. You're going to have changes and growth in your life, and right changes, because you know, whatever you were not accepting or were not ready to accept, you're going to. Whatever it is, the big truths, the small truths, whatever the lie or whatever. But 6 of Cups energy is kind of like realizations, renovating, not messing around. There's no mess, okay? I feel like there's no mess. That's it. That's all I can say. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.